How to get free VPN for Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily get free VPNs for your Android device. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel. So the first thing you want to do is simply head over to your Play Store and then search for free VPN. So I'm just going to search for free VPN here. And then once you hit enter, you will be able to see all of these free VPNs for your Android device. I personally like using this Turbo VPN because, as you can see, the download and the rating ratio is really good. It has 100 million plus downloads and it has over 8 million reviews, but it also has a great rating. So I have used this for quite a bit and it's quite reliable as well. Other VPNs you can use is this one from Cloudflare. So this one is pretty simple and you don't have to do a lot of stuff in this VPN. You could opt for this one as well. And the next one is the Secure VPN. This is also free, but you can also go ahead and try the premium version if you'd like, and you'll get extra features on the premium version. So these are some of the best free VPNs for your Android device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.